Bitcoin almost at all-time high. Ethereum also gaining some momentum, still nothing compared to what it was before. We don't have enough strength if we compare that to Bitcoin, but still doing its thing. Let's go see our options, the ones that we sold on Monday, and then let's take a look at the copy trading, which has been doing fantastic. So let's get into the video. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. As the moment we're talking right now, Bitcoin is at $72,807. So since you saw the video on Monday, Bitcoin has been rocketing, has been going to the moon, literally. And with that, it brought strength to the whole market. If you go to CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, whatever is the best source where you see, we have green all over the place. So fantastic news if you are a holder, especially a long time holder. This has been fantastic for me as well. So, and if you're new, you still have the last opportunity, I think, of the year for you to get in before the 6 digits for Bitcoin. Let me say that again. I believe that Bitcoin is this close to getting over 6 digits, so over the $100,000 mark. If you agree with me or disagree, comment down below. But so far, this is what I believe. If we go down a little bit, you can see all the positions that I have open. The two at the top that you see red, they are the options that we sold, the puts that we sold for Friday. So very, very good entry. I could have even risked it a little bit more, but I wasn't aware that everything was gonna go up so much. So for Ethereum, we sold at 2350, so 2,350 put, and that one got us $18, and right now we have 13 if you want to close a position. Again, all of these two, I'm gonna let them expire worthless. This way I keep the full premium, because I don't believe that we're gonna see 2350 for Ethereum anymore or 65,000 for Bitcoin. So we have 3% so far on the Ethereum one and almost 3% for the Bitcoin one. So these strikes right here, when I opened them, they were around 3, maybe 3.5% from the current price on Sunday. But now on Tuesday, by the time recording, we are so far from these prices. So take Bitcoin, for example, all the way to $65,000. We are 10.5% away from that price. And if we go to Ethereum and we actually go to 2350, we are 10.87% away from that price. So this option is 100% mine already. I've made money already with that, which was over 3% on both of them, which is fantastic. Imagine being able to do 3% every week, plus the weekends where you can make that extra 0.5, maybe 0.8%. So 3%, if you multiply that by 4, which are the weeks, you get 12%. So imagine 12% per month in pretty much a passive way. You just have to look at the market conditions, understand where it's going to go, use a few indicators. You can see I don't try to do Fibonacci to show you all these crazy methods sent by God for you to be able to make 100% profit. No, it's very simple, straightforward. You look, where is it going to go? You read some articles, very simple. Market analysts, they post their beliefs, they do some technical analysis for you, analyzing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, whatever token you're trading, and that way you can take your own strategy and work with it. For example, we looked at the heat map for a week when we opened the position, and you can see that it touched all the yellow spots that it had open. The yellow spots, as I said before, the brighter the color is, so it goes from dark blue all the way to this slimish green, yellowish, whatever that is. These hot spots, they act like magnets, price magnets. So you can see that the closest price magnet we have right now is the 73,000. Again, it isn't bright. The brightest is down here at 65,000, but still too far away. This one is going to get pulled in first. This is at least what I believe. If you go to Ethereum, same thing. Look at this. It was hot right here, started getting hotter. Guess what? It touched the yellow line. Then again, hotter, it touched one more time, and then right here, super hot, super bright, it touched one more time. And now we have this one at 2687, which is 491 million, and this one at the bottom is 263 million. So guess where Ethereum is going to go next? Well, it's going to go towards this liquidation price right here, and of course it's going to get stronger and stronger and stronger. So this is the analysis that you need to follow and know. Of course, it is not 100% win rate, but they do tend to work most of the time. And if you do your due diligence and you use the other other indicators, you're bound to make over 80, over 90% win rate, which is what not only me, but other people, for example, if you go in the comments and you look, for example, Crypto Ricardo, RM123, these are people that have been trading and being profitable with options, crypto options, since the beginning of crypto options in this channel, before it even was the topics, when it was just me trading options, Everton trading options. You can scroll back down using the channel as a time capsule. You go to the live section, you check all the videos, and you can see people making huge amounts of money with options by selling options just because they're smart and not because they're genius, they're super mathematicians or analysts. No, they just need to know the basics and apply these basic concepts by looking at a chart, by reading just 5, 10, 15, maybe 30 minutes of their day for them to make passive income the whole week. So does it make sense? I think that is a win-win situation. So now let's take a look at the copy trading, because the copy trading is now at 56%. It was at 54.27 and now we are at 56. We made almost 2% in just a matter of a day. So our P&L in the last 30 days is 9.5%. Amazing, amazing strategy. We're almost reaching the 500 people mark here deposited in this strategy. Let me explain, because this was part of the corrupted section of the video that I recorded on Monday that did not make the final cut. This success fee that people are asking, a few people commented, a few people DM'd me, what about this success fee? Where is this taken from? Well, guess what? The number that you see right now, right here, for example, I've deposited 500 bucks, 691. This one is already net. So this one, if you close the position, it's going to be your money. It's not going to be taken 30% cut is not going to be taken away from this value right here. No, what you see is already clean. Why do we do this? 30% is a fair number for you not to have to do anything, not lift a single finger. Once you deposit it into the vault, we are going to take care of opening, closing positions for you, and you're just going to be copy trading. Your money is just going to be copy trading, what a professional trader does. We've had a webinar where a lot of people joined. So if you want to learn more, we're going to have webinars with more frequency now if you want to join. And if you're interested in the one that we had, reach out via email. Maybe we can open the private link for you to watch that. If that's something that interests you, just reach out via email and we're more than happy to give you the link for you to watch the video. But again, the success fee is already taken. The number that you see, the P&L that you see is already net profit for you. And I think it is a good compromise for you not to do anything and for us to have 30% of the fees. That again, it doesn't go all in our pockets because we have referral links, we have all these other things. So 30% is a good number. And eventually when we will have copy trading vaults where people can create, so you can create, I can create my own, and people can just copy our public vaults, the fees are going to be variable. So people are going to be able to choose the values that they can charge, more or less, whatever it is. So stay tuned for that. This is going to be a great update because everything will be so passive. And if we have like very good traders, that will be good for everyone in the Bitopics ecosystem. And after Bitcoin's price movement, there's a lot of articles, a lot of very bullish headlines about Bitcoin reaching all-time highs, near all-time highs. This one here hits 73.6, and we have a lot of people on crypto Twitter saying right now we're starting the halving advance, the post-halving advance. There's a lot of data coming out. For example, right here we broke through the sell walls that we had before, the ceilings that we had before, and now we should probably slow down in the 4 to daily hour charts and then starting to pick up some steam again. Also, Bitcoin's dominance, which has been falling a lot these past few years, now it finally touched the 60% again, something that we hadn't seen since March 2021. So we have been more than 3 years now with Bitcoin losing dominance, but now because of this huge rally post-halving that we finally are seeing, something that was almost being called crazy for because it was saying the same things over and over. After the halving, there's a period of stagnation and then it's going to go up again. And it's finally happening and it's bringing Bitcoin back to 60% market dominance. And this brings more premium, more volatility, more open interest. And you can see that is rallying almost to all-time highs. We have open interest reaching $10 billion. So I think this will only start to ramp up in the near future, especially in the end of Q4, which is when we see Bitcoin outperform by a lot. So I hope you are as bullish as I am for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for New Year's Eve. All of these major holidays are most likely going to be very, very sweet because of our good Bitcoin, and almost all the other crypto should follow along. So thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you guys on Friday so we can see if we made or not. I believe we'll make money from these options that we sold, but we're gonna be looking at the P&L, how much money we have, and maybe opening weekend options if that market allows us to do so. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on Friday. Peace.